Welcome to Sawan Creation. Now let's make that delicious looking orange. Now let's delete the cube. Pressing X, delete. Shift plus A for UV sphere. Let's click on that box on left side. Segment to 16 and rings to 12. Let's go in edit mode. Then Alt plus Z for X-ray mode. Let's select these top vertices, then Alt plus Z, remove the X-ray mode, press I, left click, again I, then left click. Selecting the middle vertices, press then Alt Z. Now G to the Y axis. Let's select these vertices. Then on the basic proportional tool, then press G, then scroll on the mouse. Now we select the top vertices, remove the basic proportional tool, now G, then Z and take it inside. Now I'll remove the X-ray mode. Select these top vertices, pressing Alt and left clicking, press 1. Now E for excluding, then Z, then E and S, then again E and S. Now press F to cover it. Now select face, select, press 1, select the top what we made, then Shift plus D, then right clicking, then press P selection. Now name the selection, I'll name it rim. Click the UV sphere, go in edit mode, then click remove the X-ray mode. Now select the edges, Alt and by left clicking, then press S to scale them inside. Let's leave one and do the other one. For this wrinkle in the orange, let's do the whole thing now. Go to object mode. Now let's add subdivision surface modifier also for the rim. Now let's shade smooth both. Okay, now let's click texture paint here for the color. Click new orange skin. Now let's multiply it by 2. Now let's synthesize it to the object. Go to shading, click on new, shift plus A, texture, image texture, select on the photo thing. Now orange skin, select the color to base color. Now it's synced. Press N for the color option, select orange color, press N to remove it, press F to make the brush big. Remove this anti, otherwise it will go slow. Now let's select yellow color. Let's go here, click brush mask, then new, type to cloud, here texture mask, mask map to random. Let's put it everywhere. Now let's select red color. Now let's take noise. Now let's save it by clicking here and saving it. Go to shading tab. Now let's add the texture what the orange looks like. Let's add input, texture coordinate, vector, displacement, texture, noise texture. Connect the object to vector, color to the height, displacement to displacement of material output, mid level to 0 and scale to 0.0010. Let the roughness be to 0.270. Let me put the noise texture scale to 70. See, it's almost done. See, it gave this effect. Now go to render property, put it to cycles, then material property settings is in displacement, put it to displacement and bump. Let's go to layout. Now do for the rim the same thing. Let's name it to rim skin. Now let's synthesize it. Go to shading, shift plus A, image texture, select rim skin. Now connect the color to the base color. Now texture paint. Let's make it dark green and remove the texture mask paint. Now let's paint it fully. Now let's take cloud, light green color. Let's put same nodes what previously we did for the orange skin, but here let's connect the object to scale and color to height and displacement to the same displacement. Detail to 16, roughness to 461. Keep it the same for all. Let's see it from this view. Let's scale the rim since we can't see it. Now G and Y. Okay, so we are done here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.